Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Grammarly and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.